Ayaw ni Sen. Rafi na magkaroon ng bahid
Conflict of interest.
That's one. And then two is that they wanted me to look into the possibility of pushing for job generation, ma-focusan natin yon. And I'm happy to be part of this journey of this representation na sa Senate. Nasubukan kong mag-defend for the very first time ng franchise, and totally different from my forte, which is labor, job generation, and education. Natutuwa ako na ibalita kasi from the time na I took charge of the subcommittee, binanggit natin, pinush natin yung Meralco na pakitang gilas kayo, no? And